marketing team that needs to send out monthly newsletters. We have covered brochures, now let's move on to newsletters. Can you show us how Zoho Writer can assist in creating these newsletters and highlight the components and features that make this process efficient and straightforward?
Sure thing, Balaji. With Zoho Writer, users can leverage the merge option to streamline the process. They can design a template and connect it to the data source so that they do not have to recreate the newsletter from scratch each month. Let me demonstrate on how you can set this up and process the merge operation. So in here, you can see that we have created a sample template called newsletter. So in here, we have added various text boxes and images which are inline. And furthermore, we have also added a data source where in this scenario, you can create a data source which might be your Zoho CRM or whichever application that you prefer, which is supported in Zoho Writer. And once that creation part is done, you can add a data source so that you can go ahead and monthly update the contents in the data source. And whenever you generate the merge operation, newsletter for that month will be delivered to your audience. And coming back to the document, so you can see that we have added various image fields and we have added top stories which are getting fetched from the Zoho Sheet. And finally, moving towards the bottom of the document, you can see that we have added tables into the document and we have added feedback buttons which be used by your customers. So finally, we have added some product images and updates that we have planned. And furthermore, we have also added Zoholics event that we have. Furthermore, you can see that the Zoholics content is visible. So for these images, what we have done is we have added this as a download link in OneDrive, and we have added a string direct download is equal to true, and we have added the URL in this data source so that whenever this URL is fetched, it will be added up as an image. So it will be added up as an image into your document that is being merged. So let me quickly get into the document and run a merge so that you will get a clear idea on how the content available in here is being inserted by the data source and how well the document gets created along with the merged content. So once the merge template is set up and once you have inserted all the fields into the document, you can simply get into the output options and click on merge and send via email. And if you have any email address in your data source, so for example, if I've got if I've got email addresses in my newsletter, I'll be able to make use of them and send it to multiple users dynamically. So in here, I'll also have an option to send it either as an attachment or inline. So now I'm just choosing inline and I'm gonna send this newsletter for 2 months to a particular email address. And I'm clicking on save and I'm going to run the merge. So whenever the merge is run, you can click on the view log button and check the status of the merge operation. So please just wait for a few minutes for the merged content to be generated and the email to be triggered. So as you can see, the email is now triggered and it has been sent out. Let me show you my email inbox so that let me check if I have received any emails. So yes, I have received an email, and here as you can see, I have received my email, and now as you can see, all the images and the contents are fetched from the Zoho Sheet and it's been delivered to the merged inline email. So here you can see various texts, images that are being added, and as well as you'll have various links available. So by clicking on the link, you'll be able to directly get into the particular hyperlink URL. Further, you can also find various buttons, and here you can also see that we have inserted text boxes and added images into it along with contents. So these are the product updates. So when it comes to marketing team, they might plan sending out their product updates as in the newsletter each month. So furthermore, if you'd like, you can also save this document in your work drive and ask your marketing team to, if you're running an email campaign, you can then simply save it as a PDF and use that in your campaign and send it out to your customers or your partners, etc. So this is how easy it is for you to create newsletters and send it out using Zoho Writer.